Welcome to Thai Kitchen. Appetizer. Cream of mushroom soup. The cream of mushroom soup made with butter, mushroom, onion, flour, salt, pepper, chicken broth and cream. These soups are rich in vitamin B, which make them a great supporter of heart health. Thai spring roll. The Thai spring roll made with shrimp, rice noodle, carrot, onion, fish sauce, white pepper, egg and spring roll, served with Thai sweet chili sauce. This snack is delicious and derives a unique taste from the delicately marinated shrimp. Main course. Thai fried rice with pineapple. The Thai fried rice with pineapple is made with pineapple, shrimp, rice, egg, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, salt, white pepper, carrot, and cashew nut. It is a special fried rice in Thai restaurant. It has a bit of heat and a little sweetness. Dessert. ขนมถ้วย ขนมถ้วย is made of flour batter, coconut milk, and sugar. It has two layers. The bottom layer is a sweet, and the top layer is rich has a touch of saltiness. Here is my meal.